Geraldine Ortiz, a medical doctor from Metro Manila, Philippines. I have been practicing laser therapy for more than 15 years now, mainly for the treatment of pain. I'm also a certified laser therapist from COLLL.org, based in Munich, Germany. I have been using lasers from Sedatolec and I had good results. Pains of various causes like carpal tunnel syndrome, and for many years get resolved in a few sessions. Frozen shoulder, neck pains, back pains, knee pains, and many others. But today, I would like to tell you about how my Sedatolec lasers are able to resolve chronic sinusitis and allergic rhinitis. You see, here in Metro Manila, our air quality is not that very good. A lot of people typically suffer from upper respiratory tract ailments, including what I have just mentioned, sinusitis and rhinitis. I'm using Premnet 32 for these patients, and many experience immediate effects and great relief. Of course, as preventive measures, the patient should do regular spraying and avoid chronic exposure to bad air quality. But I think what the laser did was to provide energy to the cells to be able to remove the waste that clog tissues. Some patients reported that they are able to stand longer in a very cold room, and they also have less nasal drip. I've seen that the mucous membranes of the nasal passages are also much improved in terms of they have better quality of mucus and able to catch the dust. That is really an amazing result from using my Premium 32 lasers from Sedatolec. Thank you very much.
For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.